Then this one be the soil or water closet or WC.
Okay. At the camera with the pipe, why some be white, why some be ash? So boss, why say here no you do am two way, the rest you do am one. So why do they do? They put fire for everybody.
Hello everyone, it's Gigo here once again, and if it's your first time on this channel, welcome. And if you do like this video at the end, kindly please do subscribe to this channel for latest updates so you don't miss out on anything. We are moving really fast with this project. To my subscribed viewers, thank you for checking out this video, and the 70% watching who haven't still yet subscribed to this channel and are always here.
Video no wash that be and why office one person over subscribe. Yaro. Yaro when you must shiro. And that yes, I will for video now. Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.
In today's video, we are starting with this plumbing work for the ground floor and the setting of the upper floor. The cost breakdown on material for the ground floor is 1,328 Ghana cedis, which is for 3 bathrooms, 5 washrooms, and a kitchen downstairs. The material for the upper floor setting costs 445 Ghana cedis, which will feature 2 ensuite bathrooms and a kitchen. The workmanship costs 500 Ghana cedis, making a total of 2,283 Ghana cedis, which is equivalent to 395 Ghana cedis. This plumbing work is in the month of April 2021. I will end my talking here. Let's get into today's video for some tips.
So why do they do? They put fire for everybody.
Is it?
Why they do? They put fire for everybody.
On burn the map. So that if you do no like mortar or anything, no go inside.
At the camera with the pipe, why some be white, why some be ash?
The pipe. That be different company. Different company. That's why you be white. And the white one be like pressure pipe. That one. But you can get the pressure. All the different company.
boss, why say here no you do two way, the rest you do one.
But the other place, one is kitchen. So kitchen is one appliances. But here is 2 appliances. So we have to get the wastes and the soil. Soil means WC. Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I put the 2 for here. Moment they lay the block finish, we put everyone to the point.
Okay.
if you count the top here, the washroom is here for the top. So this pipe is taking the waste pipe. If you bath and the washing base for this pipe. So this one, after they will do the decking, open it to the point. This one will go the basin, like how we do this one.
Sure.
See how the boys cover you. You see?
Yeah.
Then this one be the soil or water closet or WC.
Okay.
So this one, if after they will do the decking, they will put elbow at the top, 2 elbow or 12 T to be ventilation. The kitchen will be here, so we use this pipe to the kitchen at the top. You see?
Okay.
There is another bathroom. Here is a room. At the top. By the down there is store, but the top is room.
Okay.
And then the store, store, the top room. Top. At the store, meaning of store. At the top is the washroom. So you can see 2 pipes. One is 4 inches and the one is 3 inches. So the 4 inches is taking the WC and the 3 inches is taking the waste, the bath water and the hand washing base at the top.
Because you use the reason why you use the 20 for the kitchen is that you don't want any blockage. Because normally if you use the small pipe, it will cause blockage. And you know the kitchen, from the oil and those things, it will cause blockage. That's why you use the 20 for the kitchen.
And then the bathroom, why you use 3 inches bath?
And the bathroom normally cause problem. I don't want to
Then why if you go some place, you see that people be using 1.5 and 2 inches.
Oh, that one is not correct job. It's not original job.
Why it's not correct job?
It's not professional work. So if you know the work inside, for use correct material.
You see, we
This is all I have for you guys today. Next step is casting of the foundation ground floor or slabs. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with friends and family to motivate each other. We can all own a house in the motherland. It is possible. Let's go for it. See you in the next video. Lick a dooey.